Hi, my name is Georgia, and today we're looking at a brand new product from Federal Brace for the perfect floating shelf application. This is the Floating Shelf Support Rod Bracket. For years here at Federal Brace, we've had multiple solutions for supporting floating shelves. We've had floating shelf rods, we've had hidden shelf brackets, we've had stud-mounted rods, and we've had a huge favorite, the floating shelf bracket. This product is available in several sizes and allows you to slide the bracket into a box-style shelf. However, if you have a solid piece of wood like this, we have a different solution for you. You can pre-drill holes in the wood, like we've done here, and slide the shelf over top of the floating shelf support rod bracket for your application. Here at Federal Brace, we pride ourselves on having best-in-class weight capacity for our supports, with every bracket being made entirely in the USA. These new shelf brackets can hold from 150 all the way up to 250 pounds each. If you have any questions, our customer service team is here to help you at 704-755-8003. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.